Hi, my name is Tom Fudge, my company is WASE, and I'm 29. Innovation is changing sanitation by generating energy from wastewater as we treat it, producing fertilisers that can be reused to grow crops, and creating clean water. There's a huge global issue with a lack of sanitation, and seeing that firsthand, working with rural communities, I saw there was a huge need to innovate and develop new technologies in this field, and that's really inspired me to going forward. It's inspired my Masters and my PhD, which now led to now.
Okay, and what do you plan to do with the £10,000 funding?
The £10,000 is going to go into implementing the technology and piloting and looking to scale up so we can make improvements so we can get it out there sooner. I'm really interested in entrepreneurship because I believe in my idea and I believe it needs to get out there and research, so I believe that I need to get it out there and try and push it and not wait for somebody else to try and innovate and push this out. My pitching tips are be yourself and believe in what you're saying and just go for it.